Welcome to Sherris. What are your impressions at the Sherris circuit?
I love it. It's a very good track. It has lots of fast corners, slow corners, and that shows with the variety of cars that you have here. You have very fast Porsches, you have modified track cars with big speed differences, but the long story short is everyone is having as much fun because it doesn't matter which car you drive, fast or slow, you're going to have fun on this track because it's very technical and it offers lots of challenge for every kind of driver in the car.
We know you from YouTube. We love you. We like all your videos with any kind of cars. My lovely videos, as you said, is with the Citroën Xanthia Activa. How did you decide to start the videos to YouTube?
Like in general, my channel. Like I don't know. I mean, a friend of mine came by and he asked me if I would like to drive his car. I asked, okay, should we do a video? And yeah, then next week another friend of mine came, and then after that someone else wrote to me who was someone that I didn't know. Then it snowballed, and today I'm driving between 300 and 500 cars a year. So
excellent.
Yeah.
What's your favorite car to drive on Nürburgring?
I would go with my beloved track speed Porsche GT3, the taxi car that I'm driving, because it offers lots of stability but also agility, and it requires you to be a good driver as well, so it's very nice.
And finally, what would you advise drivers, and especially the youngers? Be careful in the road.
Yeah, of course. I mean, it depends. If you want to start driving the track, there are lots of possibilities. You can start doing some sim racing. That's going to get you already some good dynamics and basics. And after that, progress to the track. I mean, opportunity like this is already good on itself by coming to a track day, renting a car with an instructor if you do not have a car of your own, because the cars are well prepared and they're suited for the racetrack. And yes, most important thing is separate the track and the streets, because nobody cares even if you win the 24 hours of Nürburgring, but if you make a mistake, everyone's going to remember it. And if you do something on the track, it's going to be just a mistake, but if you do it on the street, you might cause some serious damage that's going to stay for the rest of your life with you. So that's the main important thing. But yeah, come to the tracks, have fun. Fun is the most important thing. And if you want to get into competition, there are plenty of roads to do that. And yeah, but never forget to have fun. Yeah, I mean, we're organizing this event for the second time now together with Track Speed, where we have the track to ourselves, and people come here and drive their own cars. They have also passenger laps with me, and I think it's a great success. The reason why we're doing this now is because the last one was already so great, and I'm sure it's going to be a recurring exercise. So we'll definitely be doing one more this end of this year, once it's off season at the Nürburgring, because now the track is about to reopen, so both Track Speed and I will have to go there and do some laps there. But towards November, December, we'll be back here in Sherris to have lots of fun again. So maybe I'm gonna bring some of my own cars next time, just to have some more fun.